Hi, I'm Roger and welcome back to the Tractor Tech channel. When I did the video on my new chain grinder, I had some people ask me how long it takes to sharpen a chain. Well, the chain on my MS441 is getting dull and needs to be sharpened, so I'm going to show you how long it takes me to sharpen it. But before I do that, I'm going to show how it cuts currently and then after I So to start off with, you can tell by the RPMs that the saw was turning that it's not sharp, and then you can look at the size of the chips there. They aren't very big. I didn't show removing the chain because even if you file your chain on the bar, you still should flip your bar, so the chain still needs to come off. Every time the chain's sharpened, the bar should be flipped. I leave the head tilt at the same angle all the time, so that doesn't need adjusted. The last chain I sharpened was a 3/8 low pro, or no, was a 325 chain actually. So I need to adjust my vise, and I'm pretty much ready to go here. I just need to change the tilt. I always like to do the left side first, then do the right side last. I always put a paint mark so I can kind of tell as I'm sharpening how much more I have to do. Alright, it's 7:51. I think it was 7:51 when I started, 7:57 now that I'm done, so about 7 minutes. I didn't have my caliper laying over here to check. I always like to check and make sure I have the cutters about the same length on both sides so the chain will cut really nice. Had to run and get that. I checked the depth gauges. You can see they're good. The chain and bar are back on the saw, back outside, ready to try it, see how it does. So now you can see the saw's pulling bigger chips than it was before. Here's what they look like before. Camera will focus. You can see there's a lot more fine material mixed in with it. Now that this chain is sharp, the saw's pulling itself into the wood. It's cutting a lot better. It's a lot better for the saw and a lot easier on the operator also. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this.